Hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make Google Maps avoid highways. There are two ways you can do this. First, open Google Maps. Then from there, you could tap on the search bar at the top and you could enter in the location that you would like to go to. After you have entered in the location, from here you could tap on directions. Then you're going to tap on the three dots right in line with your location at the top of the page. After you have done that, you could tap on options. Then from there you can toggle on avoid tolls and avoid motorways. If you'd like to avoid ferries, you can also do that. By doing that, you'll now be able to avoid tolls or highways, as you can see right here. Another option that you could also do is to avoid a toll or highway overall is by tapping on your profile pic in the top right hand corner, then tapping on settings, then select navigation from the top of the page. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and where you see route options, you'll simply toggle on avoid tolls and you'll toggle on avoid motorways.